Can you give the microphone to the Honorable Rozah Buyu? You don't have a card? Okay, give her the mic.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for indulging me. Mr. Speaker, first of all, before I wish to say that I'm a member of the SAID committee whose report is being discussed this afternoon. And first of all, I'd just like to thank the former president for leaving this country intact and for leaving intact the commissions as spelled out in the Constitution that has now given us the opportunity to actually interview the nominee and pass the report that is indeed qualified to fill in the position as a commissioner in the National Service Commission. Mr. Speaker, the reason why I said this is currently the Constitution is at a big risk. Mr. Speaker, when I put the question to the nominee, I was impressed by his answer. When I asked the nominee that currently in the face of demonstrations and picketing, we've seen what the police is doing, breaking the picketing and demonstrations, using violent means against the demonstrators. What, therefore, would he do to ensure that the Constitution is upheld and picketing that is articulated in Article 37 is actually effected? The nominee was honest and open, and the nominee said that given an opportunity to serve in the Police Service Commission, he would ensure that it stick to the letter of the Constitution, and he would ensure that peaceful demonstrators or people who are picketing peacefully would not be violently attacked by anybody, and by least of all, the police. Mr. Speaker, for that reason, I gave him my vote, and again this afternoon, I'd like to say that I'm happy that I did give him my vote. I support the report once again. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Muge, Cynthia, followed by Jess Kambalu.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me an opportunity to also make my contribution to the report that has been brought by the Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the nominee for NPSC, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I want to say that I know the nominee, Edwin Cheluget, at a personal level, Honorable Speaker, having been a member of the County Assembly of Nandi, where he served as the first Speaker, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I would want to say that I can attest to his success and his ability to be able to deal with administrative issues in any institution, Honorable Speaker. Having been the pioneer Speaker of the County Assembly of Nandi, he was able to put in place so many structures, Honorable Speaker, that ensure that there was a smooth operation of the County Assembly. Honorable Speaker, if you are able, if you get an opportunity to speak to the members of the County Assembly, the first County Assembly of Nandi, they speak highly about the Honorable Speaker Edwin Cheluget, who is a nominee of the